My dear friends, I am taking third question of first K5001. That is the first paper you can say, and fifth semester. So, in third question, what is third question? Third question is degree and its essential. In second question, I have defined degree and its kinds. So, my dear friends, the definition of degree I have given in second question in detail. So, please see the definition of degree in the second part, in second question. Now, second part of this question is essentials. Essentials of a degree. There are 5 essentials of a degree, and I am taking one by one these 5 essentials. First is education. What is education? To constitute a decision of a court to be a degree. Here you see, to constitute a decision of a court to be a degree. It means there must be an education. Or you can say, in other words, there must be a judicial determination of the matter in dispute. Here you see, if there is no judicial determination, again I am telling you, if there is no judicial determination of any matter in the dispute, it is not a degree. Further, such judicial determination must be by a court. This is the condition, my dear friends. Such judicial determination must be by a court, not by other agency. Or you can say, an order passed by an officer who is not a court is not a degree. If any order passed by any officer and who is not a court is not a degree, this is the condition. So this is the first condition, first essential. What is first essential? Education. What is education? To constitute a decision of a court to be a degree. Degree क्या है? To constitute a decision of a court to be a degree. And there must be an education. Or you can say there must be a judicial determination of the matter in dispute. If there is no judicial determination of any matter in the dispute, it is not a degree. This is the condition. This is the condition. Here you see. Further, I want to make it clear, such judicial determination must be by a court, not by other agency. An order passed by an officer, any officer may be in the court. Any order passed by an officer who is not a court, who is not a judge, is not a degree. This is the first essential of a degree, that is education. Now I am taking second essential. My dear friends, second essential condition of the degree is suit. First condition is education, and after education, this is the second condition of suit, because such education must have been given in a suit. And it means education is related with the suit. When there is a suit, there will be an education. The expression suit is not defined in CPC. One thing I am telling you, the definition of suit is not defined in CPC, but Privy Council have defined this term in their own words. A civil proceeding instituted by the presentation of a plaint. This is the wording of the Privy Council. A civil proceeding instituted by the presentation of a plaint. Thus, every suit is instituted by the presentation of the plaint. It means when there is no civil suit, there is no decree. As there is no plaint till the application is granted. First, the application is given, then the application is granted. After granting the application, the plaintiff have present the plaintiff have present the plaint first application. If it is granted, then the plaintiff have present the plaint, and this plaint is a suit because the matter of the suit have the plaint. So here in this suit, in this second essential, it means first of all we have to make an application. If it is granted, then we have to present the plaint, and plaint is a part of the suit because what is plaint? Plaint is a matter of the suit. Plaint is related to the suit. But in some cases, my dear friends, I want to tell you, in some cases, only application is treated as suit. Above you have seen that application is not a suit. Application is only a initial process. But in some cases, application is treated as suit. There are some statutory suits, and decision given under these cases is degree. There are some statutory suits. Which are statutory suits? Indian Succession Act, Hindu Marriage Act, and Arbitration Act, and there are or others act comes under this statutory act, and these statutory acts are the decision of these statutory acts is a degree because these cases under the application, and then in that case it is a degree. This is the special case in which the application is treated as suit. So my dear friends, I am taking third condition or third condition of essential condition of degree, that is rights of parties in controversy. This is the third essential condition of degree. The education must have determined the rights of the parties with regard to all or any of the matters in controversy in the suit. This is the condition in the education. This is the condition of the education. The education must have determined what? The rights of the parties with regard to all or any of the matter in controversy in the suit. Here, I want to tell you what is meant by the rights. The word rights means the substantive right of the parties. Thus, rights of the party inter se relating to status, limitation, jurisdiction, frame of suit, accounts, etc., are the rights of the party under these sections. My dear friends, in third essential condition, the rights of the parties must be considered. And what are the rights of the parties? These are the substantive rights of the parties. And what are the substantive rights of the parties? Status, limitations, jurisdiction, frame of suit, accounts, etc. These are the substantive rights of the parties. So, the term parties means parties to the suit. The term parties means parties to the suit. In a suit, there are two parties, one plaintiff and second defendant. Only two parties, plaintiff and defendant. Plaintiff may be one or more. Defendant also may be one or more. But parties are only two, plaintiff and defendant. Now I am taking fourth condition. My dear friends, fourth condition, conclusive determination. I want to tell you here, due to some mistake of the sound system, my sound was stopped in the fourth essential condition. Now I am repeating it again. Conclusive determination. Such determination must be of conclusive nature. In other words, the determination must be final and conclusive as regards the court which passes it. Thus, an interlocutory order which does not decide the rights of the party, finally it is not decree. For example, refusing an adjournment and defense of a tenant under Tenant Rent Act. Under the Order 41 and Rule 23, these interlocutory orders are given, but these are these orders are not decree because they do not decide the right of the parties. My dear friends, only in this fourth condition is what the determination must be of conclusive nature. And, and one thing I want to tell you more, some orders are simple only for the adjustment of the some work. These orders are interlocutory order and these orders are given under 41 and Rule 23. But these orders are only for doing some work but not degree, because these orders do not decide the rights of the party. So this is the condition. Determination must be conclusive, but determination must decide the rights of the parties. This is the fourth condition. Now I am taking fifth condition. My dear friends, I am taking fifth essential condition of decree, formal expression. There must be formal expression of such education. Education must be formal. All the requirement of the form must be complied with. The formal expression must be deliberate. Here you see, the formal expression must be deliberate and given in the manner provided by the law. So, every expression, formal expression, must be under the law. The decree follows the judgment. Here you see, this is the most important part of this fifth essential condition. The decree follows the judgment and must be drawn up separately. Thus, if decree is not formally drawn up in the terms of the judgment, no appeal lies from that judgment. This is the condition, my dear friends. You see and you take it very seriously. But the degree need not be in a particular form. Here, this is also, the degree need not be in particular form. This is the fifth condition. This is the fifth essential condition of a degree. One thing I want to repeat it again, that in fourth condition, my voice was obstructed by the sound system. So I have repeated the fourth condition again. Please see that condition and all the condition, all the five essential condition of a degree I have explained in detail. So in the last, my dear friends, I want to make a request to you. Please subscribe the channel. I shall be very thankful to you.